This is a place that celebrates change, a place where you become an engineer, an architect, a lawyer, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, a chef, and an agriculturist. A place to discover your passion and the pathway to achieve excellence. Come and experience the what you want to create. Here, diversity creates a new dimension. A place where you can choose your own faculty, subject, and schedule. Begin your journey with your dream job offer and a mastered future roadmap. Not just a premier institute of India, but ranked among the top universities of the world. This is the place to learn, a chance to grow. This is VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology.